What if I told you that you can create movie-quality AI videos completely free? In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow, from writing a prompt to generating cinematic videos and editing them like a pro. Let's get started. Welcome to AI video production. If you're interested in AI filmmaking, AI video editing, and the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe because I upload tutorials every week. Every great AI video starts with a detailed prompt. The more descriptive your prompt is, the better your final result. Now I'll paste the prompt into the AI video generator. Most platforms offer free daily credits, making this perfect for beginners. Raw AI clips are good, but editing is what makes them look professional. Keep your prompts detailed. Edit your clips for better pacing and experiment with different camera angles. That's how you'll get cinematic AI videos that stand out. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to AI video production, and comment what AI tool you'd like me to cover next.